I'm Aditya and you're watching One Stop Spot. So guys, today's video is all about the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot. So guys, actually this is my first unboxing video. So guys, I actually bought this about a year ago. I had opened it at the time of delivery to check the contents were there and then repacked and kept it aside. So guys, as the main purpose of the video is to know the contents of the box, I think it will work pretty fine. So guys, if you have any plans to buy the Amazon Echo Dot, please do check out the link in the description box below. I had bought it for about 3,500 rupees with an MRP of 4,500, and I don't know the current price now, so please do check out the link. And guys, also do not miss my video on the review of the Amazon Echo Dot, which will be uploaded later, and I'll definitely put a link for that in the description box below once it's uploaded. So guys, with this, let's get started. So guys, let's start off with the box. So guys, this is a front face and it has Echo Dot written in large. It also consists of the picture of the actual Echo Dot inside. So if you have a different color inside, it will be the same color on the picture. So guys, it's written far field voice control. Basically means the Echo Dot 3rd gen has better microphones and it will be able to hear you from a much more farther distance. So guys, these are the basic skills that are included within the Amazon Echo Dot, commonly known as Alexa. So guys, these are few uses of your Alexa, such as you can add the Alexa to any room that is designed around your voice and things like that. So guys, this is the sticker regarding the MRP, net quantity, contents, import and market instructions and things like that. So guys, to open the box, it is opposite to the front face. You get an open option here like this. So guys, the first thing you see is your Echo Dot. We'll keep that aside. So guys, the first thing we see here is a black color kind of paper. It is regarding getting to know your Echo Dot and things to do to set up your Echo Dot. And you can also give your feedback to Amazon so that they can improve in the next gen. So guys, these are different things to try, like music, radio, news, information, things like Alexa, call this person and things like that. Whatever you can do with Alexa. You can refer this if you're a person who's using Echo Dot for the first time. And guys, this is the things including the warranty. You can see safety instructions, warranty, terms and policies and things like that. So guys, this is where your charger is. You just need to pull this open and you get the charger. Yeah guys, this is your charger and it's a 15-watt charger guys, and the pin is based on which country you live in. So guys, at the end it's not a Type-C USB cable or a normal micro USB cable. It's a jack. It's like an audio jack and it has a pretty much good length guys, so you can definitely connect it to any plug with a good distance. So guys, that's a box. So guys, let's come on to the Echo Dot. You get to open the Echo Dot over here and you can pull it out. So guys, these are the contents. The charger, 15-watt charger, your Amazon Echo Dot, the types of things that Amazon Echo Dot can do or Alexa can do, getting to know your Echo Dot, and the terms and policies and things like that. So guys, I'll just plug this in and show you how it works. So guys, I've plugged the charger into the socket. So guys, make sure that the switch is off before you do this process. Take the end of the power cable and put it into the larger hole. Of these two holes, just put it into the larger one like this. So guys, the smaller one is for an external speaker if the volume is not enough. So guys, if you wonder why we are doing this, actually Alexa does not have her own battery. So basically you need to keep the device connected to the power. It's not like you can charge it for some time and then remove and take it wherever you want. So guys, next is to switch on the switch. So guys, I've done the setup for Alexa already. So whenever you switch off and then switch on the device, it takes some time to set itself up, like connecting to the internet and things like that every time. So guys, it takes for about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, we'll discuss about the 4 buttons. So guys, this is a plus, this is a minus. So guys, these two buttons are the volume buttons. And guys, if you want to increase the volume, you have to just press these two buttons, increase or decrease. You can also do it via command, but if you want to do it by buttons, these two are the buttons for you. So guys, these 4 holes over here are the microphones. So guys, as we saw on the box, it's written far field voice control. It has better microphones. So it has 4 microphones. So guys, this button is to make Alexa start a command. So instead of you telling,
Sorry, I don't know that.
so guys, instead of you telling the word Alexa to start a command, you can just press this button and then tell your command. And guys, similarly, if
Resuming Amazon Music.
switch off. So guys, if you want to switch off the device, not literally powering off, but if you just want to stop the device from telling anything or anything like that, just you need to press this button once again. So guys, this is a do not disturb button. Okay, so you're talking about this device, but you don't want the device to start getting a command from you, then you need to just press this button. So guys, how many ever times I tell the word Alexa, when this button is on, it is not going to hear you because the 4 microphones are muted. Let's see, Alexa. So now I'm removing the do not disturb. Alexa. So guys, you can see that. So
Sorry, I don't know that, but I do have a skill you might like.
So
It's
Alexa,
called Can You See?
switch off. So guys, this is a speaker around here. It has a little more fabric kind of coating because it's a method to actually win the competition against Google Home Mini, because many people actually prefer the fabric kind of thing compared to the second gen, which was just plastic. So guys, actually Amazon claims their third gen speaker to be 70% better than the second gen. So guys, let's try out a few commands. So Alexa, who are you?
Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game. Get organized or be surprised. Just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games, weather, search and Easter eggs. Get the news, hear some tunes, ask for the song,
Alexa.
play this.
Thank you, stop. So guys, that was just an introductory song of Alexa herself. So guys, let's try out some other commands. Alexa, keep a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
Thank you. So guys, that's how the timer comes. So Alexa, stop. So guys, you can also set reminders by saying, calling out her name and saying set a reminder. And then guys, other commands are also available, like telling the news, weather and things like that. You can also play games with Alexa. And hi. Hi.
Hi there.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Thank you. So guys, those are a few uses of Alexa. So guys, that's the end of the video. And so guys, please do not forget to check out the link in the description box below if you're interested to buy the Amazon Echo Dot. So guys, that's it. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. Please like, share and comment in the comment section below for any doubts, suggestions or anything of that sort. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, as it helps me to put more awesome videos like this. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked it and bye for now.